If you allow yourself to expect guidance, guidance will show up. Evision give us a way to build our career in IT domain. I am Ashish Pundak Bonde from Chandrapur, Maharashtra. I did my engineering from Amravati University. I had joined Evision on September through an online job internship program at Evision. Evision support teams give the best in industry. Evisions really care about candidates to clarify all their doubts within 24 hours. The best thing I would say. People who are still searching for a best online platform, I suggest Evision. I am selected at Kotak Mahindra with salary package of 2.8. Thank you so much Evision and their support team and placement team. Evision is the one of the most trusted online internship institute. They provide daily presentation interview practice and mocks which helps a lot and guaranteed improvement further. The mock has developed my confidence up to 400%. That's why today I got selected at Kotak Mahindra Bank. Thank you Vision for your support